Hello everyone, and welcome back to OC is Easy. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all around us, sometimes in us. We're talking about microbes and the diseases they cause. We've got this great image here that gives us a quick look at some of the most common ones. Let's break it down. On the left side of our image, we have a list of different microbes. Now, a microbe is just a tiny living thing, so small you need a microscope to see it. This group includes bacteria, viruses, and even some fungi. But today, we'll focus on the big two, bacteria and viruses. Let's start with the viruses. Look at this list. We have rhinovirus, which is the main cause of the common cold. That's right, that sniffle you get is from a tiny virus. Then we have the influenza virus, which causes the seasonal flu. While the flu and the common cold both cause respiratory symptoms, the flu is often much more severe. Our list also includes the rabies virus, a very serious virus that affects the nervous system, and several types of hepatitis viruses, A, B, C, D, and E, all of which cause inflammation of the liver, a condition known as jaundice. And, of course, a very well-known one, human immunodeficiency virus, or HIV, which causes AIDS. Now, let's talk about bacteria. The image shows some of the most infamous ones. We have Salmonella typhi, which is the culprit behind typhoid fever. We also see Mycobacterium tuberculosis, the bacteria that causes tuberculosis. Other bacteria listed here are responsible for some serious infections. Neisseria meningitidis causes bacterial meningitis, which is an infection of the membranes around the brain and spinal cord. And Streptococcus pneumoniae is a common cause of pneumonia. Then we have Helicobacter pylori, a fascinating bacteria that can live in your stomach and is a major cause of peptic ulcers. We also have Treponema pallidum and Neisseria gonorrhoeae, which are bacteria that cause the sexually transmitted diseases syphilis and gonorrhea. So, that's the microbe side. But how do these tiny organisms cause all these problems? Well, that brings us to the diseases on the right side of the image. The diseases we see listed here are the result of these microbes attacking our bodies. When a microbe enters your body, your immune system jumps into action. But sometimes the microbe is too powerful, or your immune system can't fight it off fast enough, leading to an illness. For example, we already talked about typhoid fever, caused by Salmonella typhi. And we mentioned tuberculosis, caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The image also lists pneumonia, which can be caused by the Streptococcus pneumoniae bacteria and other microbes. What's really interesting is that one type of microbe can cause different diseases, and one disease can be caused by different microbes. For instance, UTIs, or urinary tract infections, are often caused by Escherichia coli, another bacteria on our list, but they can be caused by others as well. And jaundice isn't a disease itself but a symptom of liver issues that can be caused by the hepatitis viruses. The key takeaway is this: our world is full of these tiny living things, some of which are beneficial, but many of which can cause us harm. But thanks to science,